Hello everyone. This will be in another unboxing video, and I'm here on Discord with
the Wilmington bit.
The suitcase. Why?
Well, the radio guru.
So this will be another unboxing video. This is one of my first ER series radios. So here we go.
Yeah.
Oh god, that's a lot of sound.
You bet it is.
Oh god.
Yeah, but at least
I bet they'll have a 10 off the rate. It's right out the box.
it's brand new. All right. This is my camera.
You got that.
All right. You got me good there.
Welcome to the Running Snail Club. Okay.
I hear you're 319.
Siren. What is it saying? That one even has a more retarded siren. That thing.
Alright, so here's what's in the box. You got the user's manual, and also a thank you card as well. The camera can focus on it.
No, what are they saying? Thank you for taking the money. They're basically saying thank you for sending on free money because the product they sent you ain't worth $2 cents.
There's one of those iPhone connectors. And a USB, micro USB. And here's the radio itself.
What color is it?
Orange.
Oh, it's orange. I would get a red or a yellow one.
I might have to set the camera down for this. It's in there pretty good.
The hell would I put in a clamshell packaging?
It's in a box. It is in a container like this.
Yeah, that's what they did to the MD319. They had to like shove it out of it.
Alright. It's a bit smaller than I thought.
Radio.
It's a bit smaller than I thought.
That's what she said.
Seriously.
Right now, it's not really the time for it, but okay.
Alright. Alright. Let's go ahead and probably. Well, forgot.
Android.
Also, press every button to wish a good luck in service. Oh, it's already turning on.
Here's what happens when you actually press every single button on a weather radio.
What?
It's the radio bad luck. Just
No,
like
that's not.
No. You said that to Antonio as well.
You and Antonio there.
Oh gosh, I mean, we already seen deviousness going on in here.
I mean, every radio you do gig is brewing
Like
something.
Joe Mama, what?
Oh, hi, Universe.
Sorry about that.
Oh boy. Alright.
Running snail. Snails can't even run. Why would you name your company Running Snail? Name like Running Snail.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 58.
The speaker
serving
sounds pretty
Westville,
good.
Aurora, DeKalb, and
Why do I hear sound? What? Okay.
Here's the.
That was loud. Whatever that was.
Yeah, that was the speaker.
Oh. Wait, you set a full volume before I send it to you?
No, I just turned it up.
Yeah, so they'll blow the speaker.
Eastern Indiana through this evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday.
Oh, and here's the SOS.
9996
Oh,
is
yeah.
my background picture. Because it's better.
Oh, nice. Bright flashlight. Hope I'm not blinding you guys.
The Vector's flashlight is dim as hell. It may seem bright, but it's pretty damn dim.
Alright, here's the SOS siren.
Oh gosh. And your mic suppression took over, so we couldn't even hear that.
Nice. But that means that sounds similar.
All I hear is a weather radio alert broadcast. Oh god, what time is it? Oh shit. It's already 10:30.
Alright, here it is.
Pac-Man.
It truly is. It's like a Pac-Man radio.
Yeah.
Probably have a radio that can do SOS, do I? No. Okay. Website's ear to tab. Oh, it does flashlight.
Yeah.
That's going to help you a lot.
And it looks like, and as Red Clay said in the review, it has the Bluetooth icon and shortwave icons. But it doesn't have any of those. As usual with Running Snail.
God, I don't know. Maybe they'll come out the MD 4300. I don't know.
Oh god.
Oh boy.
MD 4300. It's like some freaking. It's the shape of a snail.
Oh yeah, like the logo.
The shape of a snail.
The dead-eating snail.
And you're saying that snails can't even run.
I know. So why name your company that?
Oh, that was up to them.
They're slow. They are very slow, just like they are. Not slow as in speed, slow as in stupid.
All right, we're gonna wrap this video up. This is Design Fan 725 signing off, along with
Weather radio guru.
and Mr. Suitcase.
Wait, what? What
What
did
the
you say?
radio gay?
It said Suitcase.
I've been called that before. Oh, let's see here. How can we roast it? Cornfield, Ohio EAS. There we go. So roasted.
All right, thank you for watching.